I use fashion to express who I am because it's empowering. When I dress well, I feel the most confident. But I'm aware that fashion trends lead to so much fashion waste. So when shopping, I always look for more sustainable options because I care about the environment. And I know that pollution impacts marginalized communities the most. Did you know Black people are 3 times more likely to die from air pollution than white people? This is because they're 70% more likely to live in counties that are in violation of federal air pollution standards. Trying to find a jewelry brand that offered trendy and cute, sustainable products seemed nearly impossible. Then I realized I could come up with my own. I came up with the idea for Mo.Na Gems, a trendy brand that's committed to producing bioplastic accessories which serve as an alternative to conventional trendy plastic accessories. As a brand owned by women of color, we also have a mission to give back to marginalized communities. A portion of our proceeds are donated to One Tree Planet, Safe Streets Baltimore, and 350 Org, which are organizations that either support environmental sustainability or marginalized communities. The fashion industry is a top global polluter. The constant cycling of seasons and trends makes fashion disposable. Consumers are enticed by cheap items only to replace them with trendier items a few seasons later. The planet is drowning in fashion waste, and the only way to stop this destruction is to get behind brands and organizations who envision a less wasteful fashion industry. Like me, the rest of my generation, about 31% of Gen Z, cares about making sustainable purchases. Gen Z spends $150 billion each year on fashion, where the biggest spenders are women who follow trends. It's crucial that trends become more sustainable. Our mission is to contribute a less wasteful alternative to plastic accessories while spreading awareness on these issues and giving back to communities that are vulnerable to climate injustice.
Our pilot product is a 100% biodegradable gem that can be worn as an earring and degrades when exposed to the elements. Currently, we offer 5 different designs, each in a unique shape and color. We follow trends to offer designs and shapes that our target audience would be the most interested in. We offer these designs with either a sterling silver or a gold plated hook. Our products are 100% handmade from our college homes, and they are made from non toxic, biodegradable ingredients. The formula is very versatile, which will enable us to expand to other products as we continue to prototype. We recognize that reducing waste is only the first step to solving the fashion waste problem, but the impact we make by educating consumers and giving back to communities is revolutionary. We spoke to friends and family about introducing trendy jewelry that is also sustainable. Many of them said they wanted to make more sustainable purchases, especially when it came to their wardrobes. But they complained that most sustainable fashion brands offered items that were not as trendy and that they did not want to sacrifice style to make sustainable decisions. When we first showed our friends and family our product, they did not realize that it was biodegradable and were often surprised when we told them that our earrings consist of a starch-based bioplastic made from our kitchen. This validates the initial goal of our prototyping process, which was to create a product that is fashionable and just happens to be sustainable. After the initial interest from people we polled, we decided to launch our product in late February of 2021. Based on other brands, we decided to price our gems at $25 a pair, which was immediately validated when we sold out of our first collection within just 3 days. This price point is also justified by our dedication to donating $1 to various organizations for each pair sold, and serves as an extra incentive for consumers to pay extra for our products. Our earrings cost just $4 per pair to produce, which includes the cost of hooks and protective packaging. With our price point of $25, this gives us an outstanding profit margin of 84%. As we begin to scale up our process and invest in wholesale materials, we expect this cost to continue to decrease. Since our initial launch, we've made over $3,000 in revenue with less than $1,000 in startup costs. Many of our initial sales consisted of college students and local Baltimoreans under the age of 30. As we expand, we would like to capture more of the college demographic and other young people in Baltimore by expanding our offering to trendy boutiques around the area. While we are pleased by our initial revenue, we do understand that there is a limit to how much we can make by selling just earrings alone. We've invested 100% of our revenue back into the business, and we have plans to spend it on expansion to manufacture other accessories and lifestyle goods, including picture frames, phone cases, sunglasses, and ashtrays.
Right now, 98% of our sales come from Instagram, with the assumption that our sale come from Instagram. The assumption of our sales is based on predicted Instagram growth. To calculate growth, we took the average follower growth rate of 5 similar trendy jewelry stores and used it to project our own growth. Using an analytics conversion of 4%, we then predicted units sold based on social media following. The biggest limitation on our process is the size of equipment and access to industrial machinery. In 2022, we plan to scale to a pilot facility, which would allow us to produce a variety of products on a larger scale. We expect our expenses to increase because of rent and equipment costs. Until then, we will continue to sell our products at a smaller scale while planning for this expansion. After 3 years, we expect our revenue to grow to at least 142,000, which costs around 40,000. This is subject to change, but with access to better equipment, we expect our profit margin to grow as the entire process gets more efficient. Right now, most of our sales come from Instagram, so it's crucial for us to maintain an audience by posting regularly. The aim of our Instagram is not only to showcase our products, but also to build a community who is conscious about the environment. We post infographics that include facts and tips on how we as individuals can take steps towards reducing waste. We have also interacted and connected with our audience by offering giveaways through Instagram, which has expanded our reach. In the future, we plan to further increase our following by investing in Instagram advertisements. At this point, you know what we do and what our product is, so you may be wondering what makes Mo.Na Gems different than an Etsy shop. Unlike competing sustainable brands, we do not let the sustainability of our products limit their appeal to the customers. Our accessories are similar to those that competitors on Instagram and Etsy make, but our brand stands for much more than trendy fashion. While other brands use resin or clay for all of their pieces, we spent 7 months doing R&D to find the perfect formula for our gems, and we won't be stopping there. We have big plans for Mo.Na Gems, and we plan to continue to offer a variety of products to our customers. We want to continue developing our formula to be water resistant and have more resilient mechanical properties, to the point where it can completely replace plastics in the fashion industry. Additionally, we have already begun plans to scale up, including talking to potential manufacturers and custom mold makers. When you Google eco-friendly jewelry, the results are bleak. While there are not many competitors in that specific sector, our main competition includes popular Instagram and Etsy-based shops who target the same demographic and who are in the same price range. To study this competition, we have chosen 3 Instagram jewelry brands: Slices of Citrus, which offers resin-coated fruit earrings; Bex, a trendy Instagram resin-based jewelry brand; and Studio Sophia, which also offers handcrafted jewelry. These 3 brands give consumers a variety of price points, but none of them are very sustainable or have very high social impacts. Our products are affordable, trendy, and just happen to be sustainable, a combination which is unique in the fashion industry. And with that, here are the people who are making this possible. We are a multidisciplinary team of undergrads who are passionate about the future of fashion and sustainability. We create biodegradable accessories with the mission to decrease waste in the fashion industry, spread awareness, and give back to those in need. My name is Andrea, and I am the head of operations at Mo.Na Gems.
My name is Mia, and I'm a co-founder of Mo.Na Gems.
My name is Mecca, and I'm a co-founder of Mo.Na Gems. We started our company just 10 months ago in my kitchen. Since then, we finalized our prototype in January of 2021, and we launched the first collection in late February of 2021. In the past 10 months, we've worked incredibly hard to perfect our formula, design packaging, and plan our marketing strategy. We joined an accelerator program, we partnered with the chemical engineering department to further develop our formula, and we've been having conversations with manufacturers to continue our plans to scale up. All of this hard work has paid off. Since launch 2.5 months ago, we've sold over 120 pairs and have made over $2,700 in revenue. We're continuing to grow our base and are reaching customers across the country. Mo.Na Gems is poised to make a lasting impact in the fashion industry, and our team is passionate about this mission. If there's no Earth, there's no us. Humans see the world, and the world needs businesses that challenge the status quo. The world needs businesses like Mo.Na and help from grants and organizations who care about the health of our environment. But Mo.Na cannot exist without the help of you all. Thank you.